So let's start with Pandas introduction. So Pandas is basically a knife in the kitchen, and it is a library of Python which helps us in doing multiple things. We can do data processing through this. We can do data analysis through this. We can do data visualization. You can visualize data through Pandas. We can apply various methods related to time series data handling, so we can do that. We can also apply statistics related methods when we are working with Pandas. So there are so many advantages of using Pandas. So this is again built on top of NumPy, as I just mentioned, and Matplotlib. So it is built on top of these basic building blocks in the Python data science libraries. So Pandas provides some additional data types, and these data types, they are like series is one of the data types. Another one is data frame. These two are very popular, so that's why our focus and the discussion is around these two data types. So this one is like 1D array series, and this 1D array is like NumPy array plus index. So series is combination of NumPy array and index, these two things. And data frame is like table, like a table. So Pandas is a small knife, so it can store data only on one single machine, and it is very much dependent on the size of the RAM, and it cannot process big data, it cannot analyze big data. It is a small knife. So if you want to go for that, then you have to choose another knife, maybe Spark SQL, which provides data frame concept again, and you can use that larger knife or bigger knife for doing big data processing, but this one is for small data processing, right? So now we will see hands-on around Pandas, and I will correlate what does series mean, and also I will explain what does data frame mean practically, right? So through hands-on I will show you these things once we are into the code. So now let's move into the lab.